everyone, my name is Danielle and I just wanted to make a quick video about this product that I found called Fab Brows. So I'm pretty excited to try this product because it's an eyebrow makeup and my brows are a little pitiful. They're pretty thin and they don't have a lot of shape, and I've got a little hole in this one that makes me a little self-conscious about it, which I know they're sisters, not twins, so whatever. So I got dark brown chocolate. That's the color that I've chosen. I think it's the most similar to my actual eyebrow color, which for me it's really important to get it as close to natural as possible because I do like for my makeup to be very soft and natural looking, so I don't want the only thing that you can see on my face are eyebrows. I really would just like to trick people into thinking that I have great eyebrows already, so that would be the ideal situation. So it comes with a packet of stencils. I'm gonna choose the one that looks the best with my actual like brow shape. So I'm gonna go with the one called Slender, just because that's the most like my little slender eyebrows. And who knows, maybe one day I'll graduate to exotic, but not today. So it comes with this great little brush as well. So it is double-sided. I'm going to use the fluffy side with the stencil just because I think that the angle side is more for someone that has great full eyebrows and they could just use a little bit of touching up, or a makeup artist, so neither of which apply to me. So I'm just going to use a little bit of the two colors, and then I'm going to line the stencil's arch up with the arch of my actual eyebrow, which is right there. She's there. There's just no tail. And then I'm just going to fill it in with the brow powder. So just like that. And the stencil is too long for my eyebrow. I'm only going to fill in to kind of where my brow actually stops, and it's done. Wow, that's really easy. That looks awesome. Wow, that's really pretty. I love the color as well. It's not too much for me. Wow, what a difference an arch makes with a little bit of extra tail. If only I could grow real hair there. Wow, that's awesome. Yeah, that looks really pretty. So I'm gonna do the same thing on the other side. I'm just gonna flip my stencil over and do a little bit more of the two colors, and then line the arch up on this side. So right like that. This is my better brow, but you know, she's still not full. Wow, that's so easy. That looks awesome. And I don't feel like it's too much, you know? So I like that a lot. I definitely don't feel like it's a painted on eyebrow, which is very nice. Oh, and check that out. The compact fits perfectly, or the stencil fits right into the compact. So that's awesome, because I'm gonna need that stencil. I don't want to lose that. Wow, that looks really, really awesome. I really like it. So thanks, Fab Brows. A little more confident about my eyebrows today.